Are you ready for some fun today? Hello, my darlings. Welcome. I am C. This is CJ DIY. As a part of Christmas in July, I got super easy, very low on a budget DIYs for you as a part of amazing collab. Stay tuned. We're going to talk about that later on. And let's just jump into my DIYs. I'm using this large round sign that I purchased from Kirkland's on clearance last year after Christmas, and I'm applying a folk art titanium white paint first, and I'm gonna use 2 good coats of it until it's all fully covered. And as you can see, I always have a helper. This is my youngest daughter. She wanted to play with the paint a little bit and help me with the second coat of my sign. Now when the paint is nice and dry, we're gonna apply these IOD Christmas transfers, and I'm gonna use the Merry Christmas transfer-ons. I just apply it in the middle, and with a scraper I'm just going all over till it's all fully transferred on my sign. Super easy and beautiful decor. Now that the transfer on is done and beautiful, I'm putting the handle back with the bolts and my gun on top of the sign. Before I add the cutout that it came with the sign, we're gonna add some wax for protection of my sign. I'm adding this beautiful clear wax on top of the sign, and with a towel I'm just rubbing all over my sign and the transfer on letters. Adding the cutout back on top using a hot glue. And we're also gonna add some greeneries for extra embellishment. Some berries and some branches with leaves. And I think it looks so cute and rustic and all-time Christmas decor. You gotta let me know if I give you some inspirations. For more embellishment, I'm using this rose gold metallic marker from Dollar Tree, and I'm just adding stitching lines on the edges of my sign. And my project number 1 is done. As a proud Plaid Ambassador, I'm a part of another amazing Plaid collab hosted by my amazing darling friend Indiana Jones, and all of these amazing talented creators, all of them my darling friends. And on top of that, we're gonna have a giveaways. We have 2 Amazon gift cards, and each and every one of the creators are featuring product from Plaid. All you need to do to enter for the giveaway is you will need to watch the playlist, and you need to comment which Plaid product the creator mentions. I'm sorry, it must be in the continental US, and the deadline for the entry will be July 30th, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The link from Amazing Indiana Jones and the amazing playlist is in my description box, and you have to visit all those amazing, beautiful ladies and show them lots of love because they all deserve it. They're all amazing. With that being said, I'm going into my next project. I'm using this thrifted Christmas tree sleigh, sign, stand, whatever you like to call it. I'm removing those hooks that it came on top of that. I think you can hang some pictures on it. It's like a picture holder or something like that for Christmas. So I'm just removing them and I'm just painting it over with the ink Waverly chalk paint. I'm covering the whole tree with that paint first till it's all fully covered, and I'm gonna let it dry. Now when it's all dry, I'm gonna use this folk art medium crackle so we can create a beautiful rustic crackle design. So I'm covering and applying on it until it's all fully covered. And with that being said, my secret word for the giveaway will be folk art. I just love using Plaid products. Not that I'm just an ambassador, but soon as you go with Plaid, you're never going back. Now when my whole medium crackle is done and dry, I'm going on top with a titanium white folk art paint, and I'm covering the whole sign. And as I'm applying this paint, you will see the paint is not even dry and the crackle is doing its job. It's gonna look so rustic and worn out, like it was out for ages. And I really enjoy using this product, that it makes that rustic, worn out farmhouse look. And look how cute it looks, and it's not even dry. I'm gonna let it dry, and I'm gonna use these cutouts from Dollar Tree for top of my sign. I decided to use Mary cutout. I painted out white as well, and when it's all dry, I'm gonna glue it on top of the Christmas tree sign. Super simple and easy DIY. For extra embellishment, I added a clear hook from Dollar Tree in the middle of my Christmas tree, and I'm adding this beautiful frosted wreath that I had in my Christmas stack. And also I made this black and white simple bow. I just tied the bow like a shoelace. I also added a mini loop in the middle. I just glue it on top, tie it with a twine. Super simple bow. If you are watching my videos, I always do some cute bows that you can see. And now I'm just gluing the bow on top of my wreath, and this DIY is done. I just wanted to make it plain and simple, rustic farmhouse look, and you gotta let me know what do you think. I'm really loving how it all came out. For my next DIY, I'm using this sign that I got from Hobby Lobby on clearance, and I'm just removing the price tag. I think it was only a couple of dollars, and I'm gonna sand out so I can just get rid of those words and have the wood peeking out of the sign and make a beautiful rustic decor to match my scheme today. I'm also adding a white paint. I'm just distressing a little bit, like I said, so we can have the rustic farmhouse look. And when it's all nice and dry, I'm gonna use more IOD transfers. I choose to use the birdie with the wreath and the bow. Super simple, old traditional Christmas decor. I'm just gonna apply it same way as I did on my other sign with a scraper until it's all fully transferred. I'm also adding the bow on top. I wasn't sure should I add the red or not, but just a little bit of touch. I just add a little bit of red to my decor. I just want it to be that white rustic look, but just a little bit of red is not gonna hurt, I think. You gotta let me know what do you think. To seal our sign, I'm using another Plaid product, Mod Podge, and I'm covering with a brush all over my sign. And look how pretty it came out. You gotta let me know what do you think. For my next project, I'm using this thrifted hat Christmas lantern, and I'm gonna make it as a beautiful centerpiece. What I'm doing now, I just removed that green metal leaf that it came, And what I'm gonna do is with a titanium white folk art paint, I'm just gonna do a heavy distressing all over this lantern. When it's all nice and dry, I'm gonna add some embellishments. Those checkerboard wine bags are from Dollar Tree that I got last year, and I'm thinking, should I use one of them? Or also I have a leftover checkerboard ribbon, and I decided just to use the leftover so I can glue it on the bottom of my lantern. Just the extra cute embellishment can bring a very high-end look. I have also cutted the top of the white fur that it came with that bag, and I'm gonna just make a simple bow tied with the twine in the middle, and also I'm gonna add that to our centerpiece. I have glued the bow, and now I'm just adding some berries and some greeneries on top of the bow. And look at this beautiful transformation. To decorate, I'm adding a frosted branches with the pine cones and berries, and our beautiful centerpiece is ready for Christmas. You gotta let me know, what do you think? And for my last project today, I'm using another thrifted item. I'm gonna use this beautiful white Christmas note book stack statue. And as much as I like blue, I'm gonna cover it all with white paint just to match my Christmas scheme. Just gonna cover it with white first, and then I'm gonna distress it with the darker colors. Just going all over first. And first I'm gonna use some markers because there is some words on it that they're like a 3D words, so I just wanna make them, they're all visible. First I used the golden marker, but I didn't like it, and I'm gonna cover it with a black and elephant plaid paint so we can get that beautiful rustic look. I'm just having fun with it. I'm just playing with the paint as much as I can, and until I get the look that I like. When I got the look that I like, to seal it, I added a clear Waverly wax, and my project is done. You gotta let me know, what do you think? And if you like my rusted look for Christmas. I really had so much fun creating all these beautiful decorations. And if I inspire you for you to create. And before I let you go to watch my final reveal, I would like to thank you for always leaving me the best comments. And if you're coming from the playlist, welcome. And Annie, thank you so much for getting us all together again to another amazing Plaid Ambassador collab. And my darlings, if you love to enter, you know the rules. Good luck to everyone. And until next time, I'm sending you lots of love, lots of music, positive energy from me to you, and all the links from the playlist, it's in my description box. Bye bye!